The turmeric soak in the turmeric.
Please, things are ongoing. You look like your father. Use a different view on the camera.
No!
Look at your forehead, it's shining.
It's not gonna be shine after I use my hold on. Hold them go so. It's gonna be edited.
You sure you don't want to do this over Felicia?
Get off my video.
Look at your forehead. You ain't gotta get my
Good. Get out my video.
Get
Get out my video. Get out my video. I know. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna post it with advice in there. Alright, people. This is a turmeric mask scrubber, meaning it's a 2-in-1. It's a scrubber and it's a mask. So you're gonna scrub your face. Then you're gonna leave it on your face for a while, around 5-10 minutes, and when you wash it off, you scrub it off. The actions, pretty color, turmeric. You're gonna dip your hands. Turmeric. You like to look?
So I'm saying, you like your father.
Please don't catch your eye. Don't let it catch your eyes. My face big, but it look good. You can let it dry on your face if you want it to. The turmeric soak in the turmeric. Alright, so people, we're gonna scrub it. We're gonna scrub our face. My lighting is kind of not so good. Scrub your face up. Scrub off the bum. Scrub off the spot. Scrub it. Scrub on the nose corner. Scrub your people. Scrub under your eyes. Don't let it go in your eyes, please. Do not eat it, please. Scrub it for people. I have very oily skin. That's why I love to use the African black soap as well. Help get rid of this oiliness. Scrub, people, scrub. On my lip, you know, sometimes right here has a little dark. Well, for me, right here, just go right here some, and right here some. Alright. See, can see a better lighting. Background. Okay, people, the good thing about this mask scrub, it wash off just like soap. Easy wash off, easy and clean wash off. So you don't have to worry about the turmeric staining. Just scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Alright. Okay, people, just a quick note of the turmeric mask scrub. It cleans the pore, calms the skin, it clears acne breakout, it gentle exfoliate, it reduces hyperpigmentation, meaning that if you have any dark patches, it would even that out, and it can be used as a cleanser, a facial cleanser. Cool like cucumber. Cool like cucumber. Tattoos. Tattoos. Cool like cucumber.